And so on this side of the lesson, we are going to look at what we call the domain name. The domain name. When we say a domain normally refers to your place, your place of stay. It refers to your environment, your location. Now, in terms of web or websites or computer terms, domain name is simply the name of a site on the web. The domain name of a website is the name of the website on the internet, or the address of the website on the internet. It is what we use to locate a website. So assuming you have a website on the internet, what can we use to locate that website? That thing is called the domain name. Now, every website has a name, and as we said, that name of the website is called the domain name. There are different kinds of websites. We can use any name to identify a website. We can use your name. We can use the name of your business. You can use the name of your animal. Anything that you want to use as a name to identify your website, you can use it. And so, examples of domain names that we can find: example, jumia.com, well.org, pet.net, school.info, anet.me. You can name any of them that you can. They are all domain names. So now you've understood the meaning of a domain name. We know what a domain name is. The domain name represents our website or a site on the web. Now let's go to hosts or hosting. Right now, we have been given a location on the internet to showcase ourselves to the world. We are now on the network to be seen by the whole world. But look at what happens. How or the files and the items that we'll use and the space allocated for us on the internet, who is responsible for keeping those files and the space for us to have access on the internet? This is where the word host comes in. To host means to provide a service to. And so hosting means providing a service to something or someone. And so when we talk about web hosting, it means you are providing a service for our website. And in this case, the service is in terms of storage, the place where our files will be stored. So the web hosting is to provide service for your website so that we will be able to store the files of your website on the web. So web hosting refers to a service or a storage service that is provided for your website by giving us a space to store our files of our website on the web. So a web hosting, in a way, provides you a space for you to store or host your domain, a space for you to host your website on the web.